Hi everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a look at this brief video, and want to thank you for stopping by. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so, because we have a lot of things to share with you this coming year and beyond. And as you can see, we're going to be talking about the easiest and the most profitable home-based business for 2020 and beyond. And so what I'd like to do is take you in and show you my website briefly, but mainly there's about a 3-minute message that I want to share with you from our CEO, million-dollar earner in this business, okay? And he's got some exciting information to share with you, so stay with me for the next few moments. Okay, this is where I'm going to invite you to, and as you can see, it says P2P Profit, all right? The peer-to-peer advantage, okay? And of course, you'll see the links here: join now, pay plan, FAQ, contact, and login. And it says here, the easiest and most profitable way to have multiple streams of online income paid right to your account with 100% commissions. And so we want to share this amazing opportunity with you. So let me just scroll down a little bit, because I want to share this with you as well. And as you can see, we've got 5 levels where you can come in, and we'll probably do another video that will explain all of this, but you can come in at the first level, which is $35 one time, and you can also come in at the 5th level, okay, and which is $1,000, okay, and there's an admin fee for that as well. Or you can come in anywhere in between, okay. And just to give you an idea, if you came in here at this level, the 3rd level, then you would be comped for the 2nd level and the 1st level as well. So that's how that's going to work. And this is a powerful program, a powerful system, okay? So let's get into this message really quickly, and let's hear what the CEO has to say to us at this time. Okay, here we go.
Hello there and welcome. My name is Ryan Hauser, and if you have been directed to this site, there's a good chance that you're looking to make an online income, or you're looking to increase your current income. All right, now you've come to the right place. Here at P2P Profit, we have literally designed P2P Profit for you, okay, for the members. Now, I've been coaching students since 2001 to help them generate an online income, and although we've had thousands of successful students, there's always been certain things that have always been in the way of a majority of them becoming successful. Okay, and a few of those things, for example, are only promoting small ticket items and not having any high ticket sales. Okay, not exercising the autoresponder and not having the right sales funnel, etc. And one big thing is not having training that is current and that actually works. All right, and the problem is there's so much training out there on the internet, and a lot of it is out to date, and companies that have been in business for years don't seem to always be updating their training. And with technology nowadays, that just gets out of date really quick, because technology is always changing. There's always new ways to market, and not only that, our attention spans are getting less and less. All right, now my training that I have put here in P2P is completely different than most. Not only is it current and up to date, it will also be constantly being updated. All right, and another good thing about the training that I've put together in this system is it is straight and to the point. There's no fluff, there's no 90-minute drawn-out videos when I can get the message to you in a simple 15 minutes, etc. All right, now to see which products that we have here in P2P, you can scroll below this video and I have all 5 of them listed. Okay, and you can click the little button on each product and just have a quick pop-up video showing you exactly what the products are. Okay, but most importantly, P2P Profit has been designed to have everything sitting in here for you. The training that works, but also the system, the automatic autoresponder that emails your leads on your behalf. The 100% commission structure, that's right. You make 100% commission on the sales that you generate. So I've basically given you the complete benefit of owning your own products and businesses without having to have all of the years of experience to be able to create your products, without having the $30,000 to $40,000 to put your own system together, and without having to dealing with all of the support that you have to deal with to run a company like this. I have basically put everything together for you in one spot, and I'm offering you 100% commissions. Now, the pay plan is also extremely...
Okay, now, gosh, I hope you caught everything that he was saying. You know, I'll just a couple of things. You know, a powerful system. Okay, and I like the way he does it. It is really straight to the point. Information, update information, training on how to make money online. Okay, and then it's going to be updated when necessary. That's very powerful. Your people will be emailed on your behalf if you don't have an autoresponder. We have a built-in system for that to happen. 100% commissions. I mean, just an amazing program. Okay, now before I close this video out, I've got some success motivation things I want to share with you really quick. It'll take about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna shut this video out. Okay, because personal growth and development has been so powerful in my life, I'd like to leave you with a few words of inspiration, motivation, encouragement, okay? Here's a wonderful quote by Theodore Roosevelt. Courage is not having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have the strength. Wow. It is going on when you don't have the strength. That's what courage is all about. Here's another great quote. Today, do today what others won't, so tomorrow you can do what others can't. Isn't that powerful? Okay. Do today what others won't, so tomorrow you can do what others can't. Things aren't always easy, but you have to keep going, and don't let the small stuff bog you down, by Stella Maeve. Okay. I sure hope you were able to get some inspiration, some motivation from those quotes. And I want to invite you out I want to invite you to grab the link in the description area of this video. Okay. And check my website out. Get started today. Okay. Let's start making some money. We've got an incredible business opportunity for you. The easiest and most profitable home-based business for 2020 and beyond. Bless you. Have a great, magnificent, and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.